Welcome everybody, my name is Ola El Hosseini. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to specify the data type of the cells in the Excel and specify the text length. In this example I want to be sure the data type is text, and if the user enter the code of the product less than 5 character, an alert message will be displayed to the end user like this. Let me show you how to do this. The first step, I should do select the range of the cells. So I select from E2 to the end of the column. So I press Ctrl Shift and the down arrow, and choose the data tab, and then choose data validation. Under setting tab, from the allow drop down list I choose custom, and then I type my formula. So I type equal. In this example I am going to use AND because I want to check for multiple conditions. So I type AND, open the parentheses. The first condition, I want to be sure the data type is text, so I use the isText function. I type isText, open the parentheses, and specify the active cell. In this example, the active cell is E2. I type E2 and close the parentheses. The second condition, I want to be sure the text length is 5 character. So I type the separator. The separator could be comma or semicolon depending on your computer setting. In this example, I use comma. Then I use the len function, open the parentheses, and specify the active cell A2 and close the parentheses, and specify the length of the character. In this example I want the text length to be 5, so I type equal 5 and close the parentheses of the AND function. This formula means I want to be sure the data type is text and the text length is 5. And if the end user enter invalid data, I want to display an alert message. So I choose error alert tab and specify my message. And press OK. So now if the end user enter invalid data like this, if the end user enter number, an alert message will be displayed, or date, an alert message will be displayed, and if he enter an code less than 5 character, an alert will be displayed like this. I hope this tutorial is useful for all of you. Thank you so much and see you in another tutorial. Thank you so much.